Gold, gold, gold. Textbook entry. Gold is the world's most valuable metal. One reason it is so valuable is because there is so little of it. What little there is can be hard to find. Still, many people have been willing to try to find it. It was 1848 in California. Pieces of gold the size of peas glistened on the ground. James Marshall, a worker at a sawmill, picked them up. He told John Sutter, the mill owner, about his find. The two men agreed to keep it quiet. They didn't want to create an uproar that would bring people into the area to look for gold. A storekeeper, Samuel Brennan, discovered their secret. He went to San Francisco, where he boasted about all the gold discovered at Sutter's mill. At the same time, he invested the money he had. He bought items such as picks and shovels and got ready to sell them in a store near Sutter's mill. It was an ideal plan. Miners would need supplies, and he would sell them everything they needed. What Marshall and Sutter had feared came true. The possibility of finding gold was sufficient encouragement for thousands of people. They sold their homes and left everything behind to search for gold. They came from all over the world. In all, more than 80,000 people rushed to California. Miners bent over streams day after day looking for gold. They dipped metal pans into the rippling water and sifted for gold. They took tools called pickaxes and dug into the earth. The California gold rush was on. Some people did become rich. 3 German miners located a large supply of gold. Their mine eventually produced gold worth about $561 million today. Another small group, the Murphy brothers, found gold in their first few days of mining. By the end of the year, the gold they found was worth about $37 million in today's dollars. Other people were not so lucky. Hiram Pierce came from Troy, New York. He paid $25 for a cradle, a tool that separated dirt from gold. By the time he returned home a year or two later, he was broke. Pierce wrote eloquent descriptions and stories about mining. The work was difficult. Miners had to wade in freezing streams. They moved heavy dirt. They got hurt in accidents. Many Native Americans were losers in the California gold rush too. When miners became sick with infectious diseases, many Native Americans who lived in the area caught the diseases and died. Today, gold is used for many things. There is gold in some computer parts. People wear gold jewelry. Countries collect gold, which helps them protect the value of their money. As long as gold is scarce, it will continue to be the world's most precious metal.